Director Lauren nagsalita na viral incident regarding Bini Maloy and Bini Aya involving fans. While Bini Maloy is spending with her family going outside and eating in a restaurant, di na ito na-enjoy dahil sa pagdumog ng mga fans sa kanya. Makikita na di pa nga sila tapos kumain, marami ng fans crowded them asking to take pictures. For Bini Aya was spending with her friends unwinding at pumunta sila sa isang bar. Bigla na lang lumapit ang isang fan face to face sa kanya. Kinagulat at napasigaw pa si Bini Aya. Mapapansin sa reaksyon ni Bini Aya ang awkwardness at di komportable sa nangyari. Improper behavior, not setting boundaries, at invading personal space ang nangyari.
Ay nasa kanilang spending their personal time, especially with their families and friends. So please also show respect to their privacy and personal space. Tao rin po sila, kailangan din po nilang makisalamuha sa ibang tao.
As Director Lauren said, appealing to everyone to respect their privacy and personal space. Excited man tayong makita sila to take pictures and videos. Remember that nanggaling sila sa hectic schedules for the past few months and more hectic schedules. So please give them time and space to do a regular life. Spending with family and friends in a restaurant, private places, and other activities. Kakibat ng pagiging Bini ang fame and popularity na kahit saan sila magpunta maraming fans ang nakakakilala sa kanila. But we must not tolerate improper behavior towards others. Instead, we must be responsible with our actions and respect others.